Okay, children, take out your worksheet and then write the date. So we look at the title first. Say the name of each picture. Color the pictures that end with ant. The phonics sounds of ant. Ant. So we look at the first picture. The first picture is fan. 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 So you write down fan first. Okay, F-A-N, fan. Fan. Okay, the next one. Cat. Cat. 好，小朋友写下来哦。Fan and cat. Okay, the next one. Bat. Okay, B-A-T, bat. The next one is van. V-A-N, van. Okay, children, write down first. And then the last one, man. So now you have to find out the pictures that end with ant. 就是它的后尾的发音呢，它的 phonics 发音是 ant。好，第一个 fan， 它的后尾发音有 an， 所以我们打个小小的勾，我们做个记号。因为待会儿呢，我们要涂上颜色。Okay, the next one cat， 后面是 at， 不是 an， 所以不要管它。接下来 bat。后面是 at， 所以我们不要管它。接下来 van， 后面的发音是 an， 所以我们打个小小的勾，打勾。待会要涂上颜色。最后个 man， 后面有 an 的发音，所以我们打勾。So children, you have to color fan, man, and then van. Next, we trace the words below that have the N sound. Fan, F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. Fan. Next, let's look at the next page and write the date. Match the words to the pictures. Color the correct picture for each word. So we read the word first. Van. Van. Which one is van? So the correct answer is picture 2. So we put a small tick first. So later you have to color. Okay, the next one. Man. Which picture is correct? Man. So the answer is the first one. The first picture. Okay, the last one. Fan. Fan. Okay, which one is fan? The correct answer is the first picture. So we put a small tick. So later you have to color van, man, and fan. Next, read the phrase and color the correct picture. So we look at the two pictures first, and then we read the phrase. A fan in a van. A fan in a van. A fan, 风扇 in a 里面 ，in a van 在货车里面，风扇在货车里面 ，a fan in a van. Which one is the correct picture? Okay, so you put the small tick. The correct answer is the picture 2. So later you have to color the 4 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4. 要涂上颜色。